Hello, I'm Estelle, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your shoes and keep them clean. So I know everyone has had this time where they buy a brand new pair of shoes, come to school the next day wearing a nice outfit, everything, only to have their day ruined as someone steps on them, leaving a big mark all across their shoe. I know a lot of people avoid white shoes, avoid wearing their nice ones to school, because they're always scared of getting them dirty, getting them messed up. Well, with how I'm going to teach you, you're going to be able to keep them clean and clean them if anything wrong happens to them. As you can see, I have all these shoes behind me. These are just some of mine, and all of them still look brand new, even though I've had them for years. Now, a lot of people are curious how I do this. There's a specific cleaning regimen and protecting regimen that I have to carry out to keep all of my shoes nice. Keeping your shoes looking brand new can be hard work. Now, if you look at these, my Easy 350 V2s look like they've never been worn before. Clean the bottoms, clean everything, still look brand new. Jordan 11 UNCs, same thing. Bottoms are a little dirty, but again, look brand new. Jordan 3 True Blues, no creasing, everything looks brand new. So, how do I keep them like this? Well, it takes a couple different products to keep them nice. See, for leather shoes like this, where you don't want to show any creasing, you can use this thing called a shoe tree, or just stuff socks in it when you're not wearing to help flatten out any creasing. Now for these two, all white, how do I keep them like this? Well, there's even more products. We got brushes, different types of cleaners, and even a spray that helps protect them. So I'm going to show you how to apply these. These right here are the Nike SB Dunk iShod wears. Now, it's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but there is a little bit of brown spots and scuffing on these. Now, showing how these are likely my dirtiest pair of shoes, it shows you the power of these products. So, let's go downstairs and test it out. The first part of cleaning your shoes is you want to take care of the little things. So, as you can see on the shoe, there's tiny little scuffs. There's probably some rocks and some dirt in the bottom. Sometimes the laces will get dirty, but these ones are black, so you don't have to worry about it. So what you're going to want for that is toothpicks for the bottom. And then for little parts of the shoe, you could either use like a Tide bleach pen if they're white. And then if they're not white, you could buy these little things called crepe wipes. So they're individually packaged, pre-moistened wipes. Texture on one side, smooth on the other. And you could like help scrub them. So if you ever just get like a little thing on your shoe, just like some dirt, maybe get some like ketchup or something, you can just scrub it out. These are nice, and they actually do a pretty good job if you don't need a whole clean. So for these right here, honestly, I don't really need the whole cleaner. I'm just going to show you just to demonstrate how you could use it. But all this little things right here, this is definitely manageable just with this wipe. Now, for the laces, these ones are black, so another thing you don't really have to worry about. Black laces are nice if you ever have shoes that, you know, they're going to get dirty. What you would do is you would take them out, and then you would get this cleaning solution right here. This is also by Crepe. It's the same brand that makes those wipes. And what you would do is mix this with some warm water, and then you could just scrub that in the laces and just let them sit in that solution for a little bit. Other people throw them in the laundry, just throw them in the washing machine. Laces aren't that much. If you really want, you just switch them out if they get that bad. But yeah, that's how you take care of the little things. Now, what happens if they get really dirty? Well, that's where this whole cleaning set comes in. This is also Crepe. So, this little box right here has everything you'll need to clean them. So you just unzip it. You see there's a brush. And then again, the cleaning solution that you mix with water. Mix it with warm water. And then there's a little microfiber wipe that you could help clean down the shoe with. Comes with instructions on the inside, but here we go. Alright, so first, you're going to get one of these little brushes. Get a little bowl of warm water. I just put in a little Tupperware thing. You're going to get this nice and wet the whole thing. Get it nice, make sure it's warm water. And then after, what you're going to do is get the cleaning solution. You're just going to apply it right directly onto the brush. Now this works on all different materials. It works on suede, nubuck, I think that's how you say it, leather. So you could clean Jordans, basketball shoes, probably even cleats, Vans, skate shoes, anything really. So you're just gonna put this right on here. Put a decent amount. Also, I'd recommend doing this in your garage or somewhere outside where you don't have to worry about anything getting too dirty, because I already got some of this on the floor. So you're gonna take the shoe, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off scrubbing in gentle circular motions. So just start going like this. Start scrubbing a little harder if it doesn't come out. But you definitely want to go gentle, because these right here, it's like a pretty tough material. It's made for skating, so it's not too bad. But if you have some other nicer shoes, like a dress shoe or something, you're definitely going to want to be careful. You don't want to wear that down with the brush or anything. So that's why you go in gentle circles. You can see it's going to start to foam up. So just keep going throughout the shoe. And this first run through, just go around a couple times. This pretty much should get everything. This solution's really nice. But if it really is that bad, you're gonna wipe everything off and just do it again. And even if you go run through mud, it really should only take 2 or 3 tries. It should get everything out. Just one tough little spot right here. See, everything's looking a lot cleaner now. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other shoe. Alright, so I finished scrubbing the shoes. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get either a towel or paper towels even, and you're just going to start just wiping them down. And since the solution's mixed with water, it'll all get picked up by this. And as you can see, they start getting a lot cleaner. All that brown went away. There's a little scuff right here, but I think that's not really coming out. But for the most part, everything's looking a lot cleaner. These are looking brand new now. So you're just gonna finish wiping these down, and I'll come back when I'm done with that. See, now that they're all dried off, you can see like icy white, looking brand new. Now, I understand that not everyone's a shoe nerd like me who wants to go out and spend money on buying a bunch of fancy cleaning supplies. I mean, you really don't need to. This is much more effective, and unless you're really like running through mud and trying to get them looking brand new again, you really can do the same thing. You're just gonna get dish soap, mix it with some water, and then just get a toothbrush. You're just gonna do the same thing. Just gonna take a little bit longer, but you can just go around the whole thing, and it really should just do the trick. And again, bleach pens, you might have that at home too. You can even use baby wipes instead of the crepe wipes. But I don't know. I feel like it's important to keep them clean, because then you could make them last longer and you won't need to buy whole new shoes if you could just spend $5 to get them cleaned. So now I'm going to show you how to keep them clean. Alright, so I'm back again with another product from Crepe. So this right here, this is definitely worth buying. So what it does is you're going to spray it on the shoe, and it creates a barrier around the shoe. So there's little particles in the spray. It's completely invisible. You can't see it, can't feel it, anything. And it's going to like soak into the fibers of the shoe. And it's going to create a barrier, not allowing anything to soak in. So there's videos online you could watch. People pour ketchup all over their shoes worth thousands of dollars and just pour water on it, and it all just comes straight off. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to want like a little piece of cardboard or something just to have the shoes on. You can put it on newspaper or anything. And just shake this up. Try to hold it about 10 inches to like a foot away. You're just going to spray around it one time, just do like a thin layer. You don't really need to spray too much. Get over the laces, get over the shoe itself. Again, I'd recommend doing this outside because it has like a real like aerosol smell. So I'm just doing it in my garage. Alright. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other shoe, and then wait 10 minutes for it to dry. Then you're going to go and put another layer on, and then 10 minutes. And then after you're done with that, they'll be completely waterproof. And now, let me demonstrate how the protective layer of Crepe Protect works on this shoe. See how the water easily slides off, not soaking into the shoe, just bouncing off? Completely dry. Anything that gets on here will not soak into the shoe and will keep them clean.